Hello YouTube, it's Boy259, and I'm here today to show you how to convert a YouTube file, like a YouTube video, so it can download it. What's the whole damn point? Shit. All right. So what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube, right? This is one of my YouTube videos, by the way. What you click share, copy link, go to your web browser, go to MP4 converter. I'll have the link in the description below, by the way. Paste it. Wait for it to convert. Video's being processed. This should show you this is not a fake. Go ahead and download it. Click out of this bullshit right here. See it's downloading? That concludes today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like if you just enjoy this video. And check out my content on Twitch as Boy259. I'm the only one that's named that. Same thing on YouTube, but you're watching this YouTube video, so